Welcome to SOSO Value official Twitter page, ladies and gentlemen. So after this update on the season 2 airdrop allocation checker that I made some hours ago, they have a follow-up and it says that the SOSO EXP season 2 airdrop claim is now live. Congrats. Yes, actually you can go right on ahead and claim your tokens now. They have completed the update on the site and it is ready now. Let's talk about how to check your allocation. So they've actually dropped a link here to claim, right? But let's check the allocation first. And to check your airdrop allocation, you don't need to do anything special. Just log into your SOSO Value EXP page and you will find your allocation. So it says, yours truly have got 5 SOSO. Whoa. After getting 1,103,000 EXP from season 1, then getting 8,059,425 from season 2, inviting 55 persons in season 2, my season 2 affiliates 602,150. I ended up with 5 SOSO. Now what's the value of SOSO? Is 1 SOSO equals to 50,000 USDT or thereabout? Well, it is not. At the moment, 1 SOSO is equivalent to 28 cents. So my 5 is barely a dollar. So my 5 is barely over a dollar thereabout, right? So that's how to check your airdrop allocation. You don't need to check, it's already there. I'll be putting together a step-by-step guide on how to claim your SOSO value allocation. And by the way, congratulations to you all the big dogs who must have accumulated like 100 million SOSO tokens or thereabout. I am happy for you. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. And meanwhile, season 3 is ongoing, right? It's not the end, so you can farm and even do better in season 3. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.